Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing well. Today I am starting new chapter. The chapter name is Magnet and Electromagnet. Here I am sharing the 50 videos of a planner and explaining you concisely the topic because I have limitations of using MBs. But if you have any query related to this lecture, you may ask in your physical class when the school will resume, inshallah. This work you have to done after transport in human. Okay, so the chapter name is Magnets and Electromagnets. What are magnets and what are electromagnets we discuss in detail in this chapter. uh, these are some pictures which shows the mechanism of magnets and electromagnetism. The first one is a bar magnet and the blue one is a horseshoe magnet. These are the horseshoe magnet. These are the two forms of magnet. As you see in pictures, the iron fillings are attracted towards the magnet. They are attracted in a very symmetrical way. Uh, they are not attracting equally from every side of the magnet. That's why we are just going to explain the phenomena very concisely. Okay, on right hand side I have electromagnetic diagram. Electromagnetic diagram shows the circuit, the foil, the roller that is binded towards anything and and it shows the properties of magnet when the electricity is passed through it. They are not magnet, but they shows the properties of magnet when we charge them or when we just provide electricity to them. Okay, so I am going to explain the topic. Short question answers first. What is magnetism? Magnetism is a force of attraction or repulsion. Attraction means to attract something, or repulsion means to make the thing far with a force. Okay, so it is a force of attraction or repulsion between magnet or any material like iron or steel. If I put magnet on iron, it will attract with each other. That mechanism is called magnetism. Okay, what it induce magnetism? If I am placing a bar magnet on a table, it shows that force towards the surrounding. Okay, depends how far we are placing different objects near magnet. So induced magnetism is a phenomena in which iron and steel are placed near to the magnet, and that domain lines make that thing magnetize. That is called induced magnetism. How the magnetic field of electromagnetics can be made stronger? What are the ways? What are the methods by which we can make the magnetic field of electromagnetic stronger? We can make it stronger by increasing the current. If I will increase the current, the property of electromagnetism will increase. Making more loops of wire, as I have shown you the diagram in starting, the loops of wire. If I just coil the wire more, it will show it will show it will show more electromagnetic property towards that object. Okay, making last one, putting a core of iron or steel inside the coil. If I am using that type of coil which has iron or steel in it, so the power of the electromagnetism will increase more and more. Secondly, The second question is, the fourth question is, what are the uses of electromagnet? Why we are just studying that topic? What are some specialties of electromagnetism? So electromagnetism are used in many domestic devices and industries. They are used for lifting of any objects, okay, sorting. If I give you many of things with many things together and you have to find iron, so you just place a bar magnet and the iron chips will separate out. And moving metals object as well as for recording information, we use different recording instruments like tapes or discs or floppies that we use on that we use in different floppies CDs. So we use different type of electromagnetism. Difference between temporary magnet and permanent magnet. As the name indicates, temporary means for short time period, permanent means for permanently. So what is the difference between temporary magnet and permanent magnet? When the iron is pulled away from the magnet, it loses its induced effect. If I am placing a iron with a magnet or with the effect of magnet, and if I remove that magnet, so the power of iron will not be magnetized more. It acts as a normal iron. It will not attract or repel anything like magnet do. So this is called temporary magnet. But there are few magnets which are permanent, as their induced power will remain same whether we have any external force or not. Long question answer. Difference between a permanent magnet and the electromagnet is repeated questions. I have given here 2 times, sorry for that. Why are the poles of a magnet called N and S? N means North Pole and S means South Pole. If a bar magnet is hang from a thread, if I just hang a bar magnet with a thread, okay, it eventually settle to a point roughly north and south, okay. The end of the magnet which point towards the north is called north, seeking pole N, and the end which stops or which just seek the point south, it's called S. Explain why homes have miniature circuits breaker in their electric circuits. If you have seen your home, the main breaker that is present outside outside your home in a box, why we use that breakers, why we do not use any particular system, what is the main purpose of using that breakers? A current breaker is an automatic safety device found in many homes. If your electricity just fluctuate more and more, to just prevent yourself for any mishaps, आपको बचाने के लिए, आप इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के फ्लो को कंट्रोल करने के लिए वो ब्रेकर नीचे गिर जाता है, ओके. If a current gets too high, the electromagnetic get stronger, pulls the iron bar and release the catch, and the spring pulls the contact apart, so the current is switched off. When we have an intense amount of electricity, so that iron which is completing the circuit is pull off and the circuit is breaked. जब भी किसी सर्किट में से इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पास होती है, वो सर्किट कंप्लीट होता है. जब भी कोई इनकम्प्लीट सर्किट होगा, उसमें से इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कभी भी पास नहीं होगी. तो दैट ब्रेकर that breaker cause the movement of iron. That's why the circuit breaks, and that's why the electricity will not further supplied to you until you again open the breaker. How magnetism is used for sorting information. Magnets are used in different chips, different ATM cards, because they contain the data of any person. These chips are fitted in computers to they can record different type of data which a bank is related to a person, like pictures, bank accounts, or any detailed version. So these magnetism is used in different type of chips. In last, I am just giving you that multiple choice question with answers. Do complete all the work and true false of this chapter, and make sure that your work is completely up to date. Okay, again I am repeating that I have explained you concisely the topic. The chapter is long, but when school will resume, we will discuss these topics again in a little bit detailed manner, but you have to complete your written work. Okay, thank you class. Allah Hafiz.